Hello everyone, my name is Pawan Nitish and I am your Abhyas IIT Prep coordinator. Today I am going to discuss with you the last minute revision required for JEE Mains 2021. How should you plan your study and also how to effectively use this time based upon the analysis which I am going to give you now. So generally entrance exams give a way for you to join prestigious institutions which involves 2 years of preparation, and this 2 years of preparation is one task, and the final phase which is now is another task. Okay, in this final phase you require some analysis to be more ahead with respect to other students. So this analysis will help you out to prioritize your topics in an order, how to get more marks from the more chapters. Okay, some chapters will be having more weightage, some chapters will be having less weightage, so you can prioritize your chapters based upon the weightage, and this analysis will help you do that. Okay, so one thing I want to tell you is schedule your revision always based upon the weightage and difficulty level and the time consumed for each and every chapter, that is effort to be made for each and every chapter, and revise each and every fundamental concepts and formulae from NCERT material. You can expect a considerable number of concepts based upon formula. Direct formula based questions will be there in your paper. So coming to the study plan, the weightage which I am going to give you now is based upon the previous papers analysis, and also the difficulty level is based upon the perception of an average student. On an average I have maintained the difficulty level. Okay, the effort required is more if the concepts and complexities involved in the particular subtopic are more. Okay, that is the criteria where I have classified the effort. Questions from all chapters will be asked in the JEE mains. Okay, and don't ignore any chapters which are not mentioned in the study plan, because the study plan only gives you how to prioritize the chapters in order, but it doesn't tell you that only prepare from these chapters. Okay, so please don't ignore any other chapters which are not mentioned in the study plan. Now coming to max, I have divided it into 4 blocks based on the weightage and effort to be put into the chapters. Okay, the first priority will be to the this block. Here 3D geometry is there, and in that first 3D geometry, what all subtopics will be covered are direction ratios, direction cosines, next length of perpendicular, and also how the plane cuts a line, all the plane equations. Okay, all these things will be important in 3D geometry. In straight lines, all the forms, slope, intercept, okay, intercept form, etc., all the forms of the straight line equations should be revised once. Make a table for all those things. Okay, stick it somewhere and daily review once, and before, like until the time the exam arrives, you will be perfect with all the form of lines. Next also perpendicular, next point of intersection between straight lines, all these things are important. Next in circles, pair of circles will be there majorly, and all the theorems are important. In vectors, angle between vectors, volume of parallelopipe. Okay, these are important. Unit vector calculation, this is also very much important. Next in matrices and determinants, there are many chapters, like many concepts like rank, inverse, all the properties, different types of matrices, asymmetric, symmetric, skew symmetric. Okay, all the time. Next matrices, linear equations, finding out solutions for the linear equations. Next finding determinants, after that inverse will come. Okay, these are important. In probability distribution, okay, probability distribution is the smallest chapter, but it would be having very high weightage before that, because directly they will be asking question from the probability distribution. Next sequence and series is also combined with other chapters, and he will be asking the questions. This generally have very less effort, but they are really high in weightage. Next, if you come to limits, continuity and differentiability, definite integrals and areas, you know very well that there are no other subtopics included in that, but area under the curve, generally graphs will be given and he will be asking you to find out how much area is enclosed in the figure. All those type of questions will be there from definite integral. Next, limits, continuity and differentiability, L'Hospital rule. Next, 0 by 0 form. Okay, infinite series limits will be very important. Next, there will be also continuous fraction limits will be there. After continuous fraction limits, application of derivatives generally consists of maxima, minima. Next, mean value theorems, and conic sections. Generally you have to prepare a table. Okay, parabola, ellipse, hyperbola, all the equation of tangents, equation of normals. Okay, each and every property of the conic section should be written in a form of table, and once review it every day, and then by the time of exam you will be perfect with all the equations and formulas, and there will be no confusion between each and other conic sections. Next, functions generally you will be having implicit functions, even odd function, that is very important, even odd function. And next, complex numbers generally it will combine with quadratic equations and there will be questions. Okay, in the quadratic equation he will be asking complex numbers and they will ask you to find out roots. This is very important. And next, once go through the properties of omega, and in binomial theorem generally he will be asking about coefficients and also sum of series of expansion. Okay, these things we will be asking. Next, in the third block, differential equations are there. Differential equations, there will be different types of mm, methods, variable, separable. Okay, linear, LE. Okay, all these differential equation methods to be made into a table and compare all the methods. Next, in differentiation, all the different types of differentiation like chain rule, parametric differentiation, partial differentiation, all this comes under differentiation topic. This also requires very less effort because these are the fundamental chapters which are required for you. So this requires generally less effort when compared to all the students. So trigonometric equations are directly from the basic concepts of trigonometry. This also requires very less effort. Next, statistics, there are only few properties like mean. Okay, all those things you know very well from the schooling itself. And sets relations, there will be normal different types of sets and relations. Next, heights and distances, then generally they will be asking about elevation of the point, elevation problems will be asked. And mathematical reasoning and induction, generally you can substitute and verify the answers. Next, in trigonometric ratios and functions, there will be a huge time consuming process for the trigonometric ratios and functions because you have to remember each and every formula. And next, in properties of triangles, there is innumerable number of concepts, but weightage is also very low. I would say that you should prepare all these four chapters at the last stages, because after all the first three blocks are completed, then only you should come into the fourth block, because you can't expect the questions from these fourth block chapters. Okay, everything is important and it requires a lot of effort to complete all these chapters. Next, we will be discussing the weightage of the chemistry. And coming to our address, our campus is Canville Academy, and it is also a part of Abhyas. And here Abhyas IIT Prep is the coaching given for the people who want to join into prestigious institutions, and this residential campus is situated in Pragati Nagar. We have our websites iitprep.in and gyanville.in, and you can email to our contacts for further assistance if you want to know about any details. And these are our Facebook page contacts and WhatsApp contact, and also there is a Telegram channel. I will be pasting the link in the description. You can subscribe to the Telegram channel, and daily I will be posting maths, physics, chemistry quizzes and also other GK related stuff. So you will be daily getting a chance to participate in the quizzes or polls conducted in the Telegram. And please subscribe to the channel also. Thank you.